Yow, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Dr. Squatch Shower Booster Guide. Today we have the Soap Saver and Soap Gripper. If you're watching this, chances are you love your bricks, and maybe you're looking to upgrade your shower game once more. You want the bar to last longer, you want to stop dropping the slippery bastard. Well, you've come to the right place. Squatch, of course, offers additional accessories to help you get as much as you can from your brick. We're talking primarily, of course, about the Soap Saver and Soap Gripper. In this guide, we'll cover both, what their benefits are, and whether or not they are worth the extra cost. Let's start with the Soap Saver. This boy is essentially a piece of cedar wood that is somehow enchanted to help preserve the life of your brick, helping it to dry faster and dissolve slower, giving you additional uses out of each bar. The Soap Saver comes in 3 sizes. Your standard small boy with room for 1, the Bigfoot, which can fit several bricks, and the Shower Caddy, which encompasses 2 Bigfoots that can house all of your Squatch needs. But of course, the size of your Soap Saver is irrelevant if the thing doesn't work. So let's get into the basics. Now, I'm not sure exactly what kind of witchcraft is going on here, but the Soap Savers in my experience do certainly help to extend the life of a brick. In short, it works by drying the bar out and reducing the soap scum that otherwise occurs when placed elsewhere. It keeps both your brick and your shower clean. Squatch claims that the Soap Saver will double your bar's life. While I can't confirm that exact amount, I can say that it will extend your soap's life significantly and keeps things much cleaner. At least with the small Soap Saver, it will pay for itself in the long run if used properly. The Soap Savers will last years if maintained, but they start to get a bit trashed after extended use. I should also note that while your bar will dry out faster and won't have the disgusting, soggy underneath side you may get if you store it elsewhere in the shower, but the brick can stick to the saver, and the side that touched it will have a nasty residue and texture to it, where the ridges of the saver held it up. This, of course, can be entirely avoided when used in combination with our next shower booster. In my opinion, the much more advantageous accessory to prioritize is the Soap Gripper. The gripper is a simple piece of plastic that you pop into one side of your brick and gives you added grip. With this, you'll never drop the soap again, and being that it's plastic, it can be used over and over again, brick after brick. It's easily cleaned and lasts practically forever. There is a hidden additional benefit to the Soap Gripper as well, and that is that it's basically a built-in soap saver. As if you store your bar with the gripper side facing down, the brick will be elevated and not touching anything. Therefore, it's allowed to dry without having one side get disgusting. You can, of course, combine it with the traditional Soap Saver so that you have a nice place to store a bar and you avoid the bar having to even touch the saver, so everything is being preserved. Personally, this is the ideal way to do it, and I'll let you in on another secret. If you really want to extend your bar's life, cut the soap in half. It fits perfectly with the gripper, and you'll still get plenty of a bar to shower with. Not to mention it clears up space to double whatever your saver holds, so you can have multiple bricks going at once without them quickly dissolving. Just don't leave your soaps under the shower head. Do all this and that promised twice the lifespan of a brick is very much a reality, and I would say you could probably get even more than that, so it will eventually pay for itself. So it is time for the verdict. Which of these shower boosters is worth it? Well, first off, the Soap Gripper is absolutely worth it. It'll keep your bar clean, dry, and of course, give you added grip. For $8 on the website, I think it is well worth it, and one of the first Squatch products I would order. Definitely prioritize this one over the Soap Saver. As for the Soap Saver, this one is much more dependent on your preferences and your situation. It's definitely a nice addition to any shower, but if you do use the gripper as I said, then it may not be the most necessary thing to have. It will keep everything much cleaner and gives you a perfect place to store your bars. It's basically a nice shelf for your bricks in the shower. As for the cost of the Soap Savers, the traditional boy is a bit pricey at $15. That's almost twice the gripper. The Bigfoot will run you $25. This is what I use as I have a lot of bricks going at once at any given time, and this allows me to store many bars comfortably. I find it works great, there's no soap scum, and it helps keep everything nice and neat. For the most devoted, however, there is the Shower Caddy at $39. This might be the best option if you want the Bigfoot and are also in need of a caddy to begin with. It looks really nice, you'll never run out of space for your soaps, your hair kits, and whatever else you may have. and it can be stored on the wall. It's a very nice shower booster to have, but for many it's probably a bit overkill. It really depends on your budget, but if you're serious about your Squatch game, having one of these soap saver varieties is definitely worth it. So in short, the soap gripper, add it to your cart. The soap saver, add it to your wish list. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of the shower boosters? Which of these do you have? And do you think they're worth it? Let me know if you possess the fabled shower caddy. Thanks for watching. Meow mine!